I'm so excited. FabFitFun, it's here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time with me, then hello, welcome to my little corner of YouTube. Today, I am sharing with you my FabFitFun box. Look at how big this box is. I have been waiting for this box since I threw out the first spoilers. Even though I know like majority of the stuff that's in here, there's still a couple items that I don't know that's in here. Who are you kidding? I probably pretty much know everything that's in here, but I'm still so excited. So if you're looking at me and saying, girl, what is FabFitFun? Then let me tell you, it's a seasonal subscription. It's not a monthly subscription, it's a seasonal subscription. And I think that's why it's so exciting, because you wait so long to get your next box that it's not like the other subscription boxes or bags that I received where you get it every month. You do have to wait quarterly, so you get it winter, spring, summer, and fall, and the box does revolve around that season. So I'm really excited for this fall box because you can see, look how beautiful the box always comes, and it's a sturdy box because this isn't just makeup, it's beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness. You get a mixture of products in this box for you. So a lot of people get these makeup subscriptions and within a few months they're like, oh my goodness, I have so much makeup, what are you gonna do with it? I'm not one of those people because I can never have too much makeup, but if you're one of those type of people that just, you have way too much makeup, this is a great box because you may get a makeup item but maybe one or two products, but you do get a good roundabout variety of stuff in this box. So the box does retail for $49.99 and you do get that every season, so 4 times a year. If you do purchase and you pay upfront for the whole year, then you get more options to customize your box. But there's always 1 or 2 items that you don't know what you're gonna get. But that's the great thing about this. You can pick products that you will like instead of getting something that, hey, you know what, I might not like this. You have more options on creating the box that's perfect for you. So that's another thing that's really good with FabFitFun. So enough rambling for me. I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up. Look how pretty that is. That's what the inside looks like. First thing I see is this brochure. It's a little magazine, which this is the first time that I've received a magazine. Normally it's like a newspaper and you would fold it up, but I really like this. This is a lot better. Inside is also the prices of the products. So I'll go ahead and as I'm opening and pulling everything out of the box, we'll go ahead and go over this together. So next, I've really been wanting to try this. This is HelloFresh. This is that company that delivers your meals to your door. You get a $50 gift card, and I received one of these pretty much in every box, and I have yet tried it, and I really been wanting to try this. This is a card that says share the love of FabFitFun. Pass this card on and your friend will get $10 off their first box. So that's really good because instead of it being $49.99, you will be paying $39.99. I'm gonna put this code in the description of this video, so if you do want to try it out, you can go ahead and use that code. Okay, so this is one of the items that I'm really excited for, is this wireless Bluetooth earbuds. It comes with the little charger, extra earbuds, and you would just wear it like this. These are so comfortable, and I can tell that they work really well because I hear an echo when I speak. Oh yeah, these are totally great for working out. I can't wait to use them. Look at how handy that is. It's just right here in the perfect position so that you can just answer your calls, higher the volume, lower it. I'm excited. I really like this. I did mention that with FabFitFun, the first couple of products, you do have the option of choosing. And one of the options was between an umbrella, which had 2 different styles, and these earbuds. There was black and white, and I did choose to do the white with the rose gold, and these have a retail value of $40. FabFitFun always throws in some samples, so they did throw one of these Luna rice bars, and then that's what you have the coupon for. So I'm excited to try these. Salted caramel nut, and I love caramel. Okay, I really can't believe this is in a FabFitFun box. This is a beauty blender. So with this beauty blender and the earbuds, I'm already over what I paid for the box. And here it does say it's $20. Okay, now this is really good. These are the Glam Glow Bubble Sheets. Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. When Glam Glow first came out with that mask that had the glitter in it, I really wanted to try it, but it's like $50 or $60 for that mask, and it's ridiculous. So I'm really excited to try these masks. Yeah, I'm really excited. So this is another product that's in every box, and these retail for $18. So this next product is from Skin & Co. Roma Shower Gel with notes of alpine sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. The Italian collection, limited edition. And this is a shower gel. So let's go ahead and see if I can smell it. A lot of these, when you receive them, are sealed, and it is. But this baby's not going anywhere. I'm keeping this. Sometimes when I get stuff, I'll give it away. But, that smells good. It's not sweet. It's a very earthy smell, kind of like very relaxing. And this retails for $22. So I'm sure this is going to be good for $22. So this is another product that everyone received, and it's homemade towel, homemade pretty towel. And you know what? I don't even have any dish towels. That's what I'm assuming these are, because I kind of let my dishes dry. I have this thing with towels and bacteria. Ooh. Do you guys know what these are for? I think this is like to hang, I'm assuming. These feel really, really good quality. I think I'm gonna have to start drying my dishes. I really like that pattern. Look at that. So the kitchen towels retail for $14.99. So next, I'm not even gonna look. I'm gonna just grab. Here we go. Woohoo! Metallic liquid foil lipstick dual. I know a lot of people don't like metallic, but I make everything work. It says number 2 penny. I'm thinking it's like the color of a penny. Okay, I can't open this. Touch and Soul. I think that's the brand, and I think I've heard of that brand. Maybe I received it in a FabFitFun box before. Okay, so this is really pretty. Metallic liquid lipstick dual. So it's 2. Top one's thicker, like a liquid lipstick, and that one's more like a gloss. I think these are really pretty and will look beautiful on top of other lipsticks. So far I think I got 2 beauty items in this box, and I love receiving my beauty items. Okay, so that retailed for $24.99, and this one you did have an option. This Total Eye Cream, which retailed for $38, and then Cucho Detox Bath. Oh, that was like the bath salt that you would throw in your bath, which is $39.95. And I'm really excited that I got the lipstick. So I am still not disappointed. There's more stuff in that box, and this is already way over my $49. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the next product. This is a polished facial exfoliator in pink grapefruit. So this is a facial product, and this one retails for $67. I haven't heard of this product, but I'm definitely going to try it. Polished facial exfoliator. We all need to exfoliate our face. So it's white, like creamy. I cannot pinpoint that smell. All of them were the same brand, but the other ones were Hydra Repair Day Cream, which retailed for $49, and then a Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser, and that retailed $49. So I'm actually glad I received the exfoliator. That was $67, so it's a higher value, making the value of my box go up, which is good. And the crazy thing is there's still more stuff in my box. So here I go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull, whoa, I'm gonna pull this out, and it's a bag. It comes with this protector case to keep it in, which is always nice. It's a full leather bag. Look at that. With the handles, and it has a little pocket inside for like my phone. It's more, I would say, for work, like something I would put a tablet, my iPad, and this is very fashionable. So I like this one. You have the option of getting either the black or a brown, which I'm glad I received the black. I liked the black one. So there you go right there. Those are your two options for if you select that. If it was between the bag and then these Crown brush set from Crown. And I have so many brushes, and I received so many brushes from all my subscription boxes that I didn't even want to get the brushes. The purse, I just wanted, like, that was a definite yes. So especially with the price, check this out. The price of the purse is $128. The price of the brushes were $75. $128 in a FabFitFun box. And guess what? The box is still full. Well, I think there's one more item. Okay, so this last product, there's one left, and this is another product that I've been waiting for, but I think I keep saying that on every product that I pull out of here. But this one I've been waiting for because I can use it at work. That is a French press coffee maker. Can you believe that? Like, a coffee maker in your box. This is, I was so excited. You had the option between this and a teapot. This teapot right there. And the teapot had, when you would open it, it had a little holder inside for your tea. I do drink a lot more tea than coffee, but I really wanted this little gadget just because, I guess because it looked fun. The teapot retailed for $26. This coffee press retails for $22. So let's just open this bad boy up and see what it actually looks like. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. You just press it and then you pour it. Oh, I'm so excited. This, I think, is the best box I received so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and add these all up quick for you, and so we can have an idea of what my box actually valued at. Okay, so I went ahead and added everything up, and you wouldn't believe it. The box retails for $3.56.98. Thank you very much. And I only paid $4.99. And I loved everything. There was not one thing in this box that I was kind of like iffy on. Normally I'll get the one thing and I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I'll still use it. But I loved everything. I'm telling you, this is like the best box I received so far. And I received shawls, I received wraps, I received scarves, I received purses and other bags and other makeup items. This is just such a fun box, and I don't see me stopping the subscription anytime soon unless I just really don't have the money for it. But I just love it because now I don't have too much makeup, I don't have too much purses, I don't have too much of one thing, because you get such a variety of stuff that you can use. So let me know, what did you think? Did you think this was as amazing as a box as I did? Did you receive a box? What items did you get that I did not? And also let me know in the comments below, after seeing this video, are you thinking about joining FabFitFun as well? So remember, I'm putting that discount code in the descriptions for you to go ahead and use until I believe the expiration date was 11/15, and you get $10 off your first box. So that's a great way to try the box. So take advantage of that link, get your $10 savings. So I'm excited to see who else joins the FabFitFun family, and we share the love of FabFitFun together. Man, this video should really be sponsored. So remember, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and you're a blessing. So don't let anybody tell you any different. As always, I love you, and have a blessed day.